back. So, on tonight's episode, we'll be featuring my cousin, and together we are gonna react to SoHyang Bridge Over Troubled Water. This is not my first time doing a reaction to SoHyang, but it's actually my cousin's first time finding out about her. What are you doing?
I see what she have for me. See the red eye them frost. I see what she have for me. Yeah.
Guys, note briefly, we are Jamaicans.
You know, so remember, subscribe, Subscribe.
Leave a like, guys. Leave a like on the video. So without further ado, people, let's hear what SoHyang has in store for us right now. Take a walk with us. We'll be right back. Peace.
네 번째 무대 소향입니다.
Just the clapping alone, but me know that something will go on wicked,
Bro, she's pretty, bro.
I'm not talking about the pretty, as she step on the stage, so alone this, I don't know what time it is. So you see what will go on.
When you're weary, feeling small, when tears are in your eyes, I will try them all. I'm on your side. Oh, when times get rough and friends just can't be found, like a bridge over troubled.
Alright, so good so far, but still want to hear some enhancement in the device same way. Like what the song I go so far, but she still have to prove me wrong same way, so
Bro, don't worry yourself, man. You will see something that you never expected in your entire life, bro.
just calm down, Keem. Let's
Okay.
see what I go on.
Okay.
Like the part there. Like the part there.
When you're down and out, when you're on the street, when the evening falls so high.
That is it. That married pun.
Bro, that's magical, bro.
Yeah,
That's
that's
really
what I'm
magical.
waiting on. She's song. I love it.
Yeah.
I love it now. I just wanted that type of energy.
Guys, he hasn't seen nothing as yet, bro. He hasn't
That's
seen
chill,
nothing.
that's chill. She still have more to improve.
Okay, no problem.
I will comfort you. I'll take your part. When darkness comes and pain is all around, like a breeze
That was
Me
it,
like,
guys.
me like the notes, so it, you know, she just zigzag.
Bro, she's a professional, bro. She's a professional. She's a person who can control her notes whenever time she's pulling them out, bro.
Yeah, good voice control.
Yeah, bro. She's that magnificent, guys. Like, really do magnificent.
Magnifico.
Yeah.
I'll take your part when darkness comes and pain is all around, like a breeze over troubled water.
Powerful. She's powerful.
Guys, that's gigantic power, guys.
Gigantic power.
Yeah, bro.
She got immense spiritual pressure.
Guys, we
Don't-
have to.
The guys don't think about bleach here. It's just a song.
Yeah, guys,
Alright.
we have to give a brief description on what her voice is like, bro. Very powerful.
Alright.
Let's continue. That was beautiful. That was really beautiful, guys.
Well done.
It's not my first time doing a reaction to her, but
Well done.
it's like it's my very first time because she's just a person who it's me all over again, guys. Very mind blowing.
Well done. So young. Extraordinary.
Yeah,
Extraordinary.
really extraordinary, guys.
Magnifico.
Yeah.
Good.
Guys, if you guys do enjoy our reaction, please subscribe for more. And if you guys do like what we have just done, please give us 100 likes.
No, bro. No. Yeah, me I say. 500 likes it for 2 more video. You see me? And get him to 16k very quickly. Yeah, you get more good reactions.
Yeah, guys.
You get me? Okay, don't want to see our immense spiritual pressure. Get me? Subscribe.
Guys, please do the right thing. We are looking forward for your support on this one. I'll see you next time around. Peace.